Hello guys, sorry I'm looking a mess. So I just made it to Virginia, and me and Tony just we're gonna surprise my mom. My mom does not know that he came with me up here. So, you know, for Mother's Day and everything like that, we decided that, you know, Tony was gonna come and we're gonna surprise mom. So we came up with this plan of basically kind of scaring her. So I dropped Tony off like at the side of the house, so he's over there waiting for me to unlock the back door. And I'm gonna basically just go in there like, hey mom, you know, how's it going? I'm back. And she's gonna help me unload the car. So when we go back inside, Tony's gonna surprise her and it's gonna be like a thing. And then I also have Tony recording like his perspective, so y'all will get to see that. So let's go see. Let's see if we can execute this plan. Got my keys? Yes, I do. Okay. Oof. Oof. All right, let's see if we can do this.
I told you momentarily.
Oh, you look beautiful. Y'all are popping. Let me get you. Come here. Oh, okay. Go back in the, okay. Hold on. Oh, wait. Can y'all help me get my stuff?
Yeah. Put your shoes on.
Hold, Madison, where your other shoes?
Put your shoe on. Put your shoe on. Madison, come in here with that.
Momo, come here.
It's too late now.
What?
Yeah.
Well, be careful. Be careful. Mom, you gonna help me? Oh.
I
Put the, I brought a lot of stuff because we're gonna be recording. Hello, we're gonna be recording and making these videos.
Yeah.
About to snap my hair back.
Okay, I'm in the back waiting outside to surprise my mom. You know, it's going pretty good. I feel sketchy just sitting out back here, just doing nothing, but you know, ain't nothing but a thing.
I'll help you do this when we get back. Throw on your shoes real quick.
I got my head and it still looks good.
It does. It looks beautiful.
And guess what? This is all my hair.
I know. Hurry. Go out there. I'm gonna look at the backyard.
Why did you throw it off?
She threw it off. Oh my God. It was so difficult trying to get them out the house. Okay, there's Tony. Hold on. Okay.
Mommy!
Huh?
Wait, stop! Tony!
It's a surprise. Hold on. All right, what else we gotta get?
Everything else. You ain't got no surface.
I know, but I've been driving.
That's it. You been sitting down there.
I've been driving. All right, here. Hold on. Come back. All right, go get another bag. Madison, you be quiet. You hear me? Do not spoil this surprise. Thank you. Any more things? Maddie, go help me get this stuff out the car.
This looks like Tony's.
Huh?
This one looks like Tony's. Oh! My mom said go get your bag. Oh, yeah! That is it! I
Go get
Hey, guys.
Hey, why did y'all stop with this stuff right here?
She said
Just to bring it in?
Yeah.
Well, where are you gonna sit up? Are you scared?
Hear me as I was coming down.
When'd you come in?
Look at Jay out there in the street on New York.
SWAT team.
What up, world?
let's put the hot girls somewhere.
And today we are going to set up these water sprinklers. I just picked this up at Walmart the other day, and we are going to see how this operates.
Yay! Hashtag we love water.
Y'all do love water.
Could you help me open this?
All right, so yeah, get something to open that up. And then where is the actual hose? Keep that on, Lou. Keep your dress on.
The hose doesn't go on. We just use this. It squirts out water.
Say what?
Say what?
Oh no, we gotta get the hose, and maybe it's in the front. The one in green. So, let me go get it. I'll be right back. Oh, I can't stand my hair right now. I can't even. I don't know, but it looks crazy and way down. So that's also what I did. Like, I only put cream on it. I didn't wet my hair before I twisted it up, and it just did this crap. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to fix this because I can't deal with it. But yeah, we're gonna grill. I'm gonna cook a little something. We are going to do the sprinklers outside. We are going to have, let's see, I'm gonna make me some mac and cheese. We're gonna do some baked beans, and we're gonna do some salad, and we're gonna have some hot dogs, and we're gonna have some chicken, and then we're gonna have movie night later on. And I bought the kids Sour Patch Kids, so I got them the tropical kind, the extreme sour, and then the regular. And then I bought some cookies, so we can bake cookies tonight. We're gonna do some M&Ms. So hopefully it turns out really good. I'm excited for that. They look delicious. But yeah, hopefully today's a fun day because it's been like rainy and nasty outside. But the sun is out today, so we're gonna get this popping. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna fix something with my hair because I can't be on this camera like this, looking like a wet dog or something. Not cute, sis. Ooh, did you see that chin? Oh my God. Found the hose. All right, let's see what we got going on here, because this is going to have to go outside the door. Y'all not finna have these sprinklers like right here? No, ma'am.
My mom don't I'll see them. I'll see them, and then they move, and I'll be like, oh, sorry.
Hey, girl. How in the world does it do that?
You just smash it in there.
No, there's no smashing. It lines exactly up with it.
Try that one then.
I know, I did that too. Maybe this gotta come out. Watch out, Lou. That did nothing. Unless this whole thing comes off. Like how we took it out the wall.
I think it does.
That's why we need Tony Roney out here. Alright, we need to get Tony. He need to get up out of his room. Let's go find Tony, y'all. Tony! We need help! We need help! Welcome! You're waking alive! Hello, let's go!
I have no shoes on.
It's fine. You know what you're doing?
Stop being a baby.
Not really.
I believe in you. You're turning it on, bro, Ham? Alright, let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Moment of truth. Oh. That's it? That's all the pressure?
Make it harder.
No, y'all gotta take all the twisties and don't have them looped around. Like, Lou, take that one off the loop. Yeah. Good job, Madison. They all look good over here. Good job, boo-boo. Good job.
No.
More pressure? No?
More pressure, yes.
All right, so something's happening, but it's supposed to be like for real. It's supposed to be live. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lulu! What are you doing?
Wait. Can I take it off these?
Ah!
Are you wearing shorts underneath them?
Guess what I'm making? So I got corn here. Dad's trying to help me with the whole situation. I wanted like good energy, good vibes today. And the girls finally, like, you know, go outside. These are already thawed out. These need to be thawed out. They're almost there, actually. And then this is the chicken that's thawing out too. All right, so we have chicken in here, the hot dogs. I'm gonna put the corn on the grill as well, but I'm gonna knock the chill off because, you know, they were in the freezer. I got my noodles boiling right now, and then I got, you know, these beans on here. Nothing serious, nothing cray. Ooh, my bad, y'all. Hold up. All right, beans. Like I said, something quick. Feed these children real quick. I gotta get this macaroni and cheese. Let that boil for a little bit. It's a lot of mac and cheese I made. Now that I'm looking at it, I wanted to do half this box, but it's a little bit more than half. But this is what I have going on. I'm sorry this has been like all over the place because nothing is going right for me. Like I said, like the girls haven't been outside because the weather has been crap, but it's finally sunny outside and everything, and I'm like, oh, it'd be so cute if my poor hair, I really apologize, you guys. It'd be cute if they get to play in the sprinklers and be outside and just enjoy the day. Hell, smell the flowers, be outside, run like kids need to do, and just enjoy this. But as you can see, I don't know what's happening over here. It doesn't seem like the water pressure in the backyard is even strong enough to, or, you know, conducive to even get the sprinklers going. So yes, nothing is going right. I'm real sad about it. I don't know, like, damn. What the hell? What is that?
This is probably going to come across as a controversial choice here, but...
What was that?
A wing.
Don't ever pick that up. Go wash your hands. If you touched it, go wash your hands right now. Go, Madison, and wash your hands.
I haven't touched it. You picked it up. No, I didn't pick it up.
Oh my God. Y'all think y'all funny? Okay.
Funny.
Okay.
No. Huh?
You better have washed your hands. Oh my God, those kids are crazy. Did you see that? Babe.
Yes.
Madison brought in a whole damn bird wing. Like a feathered bird, like...
Like a feather from a bird?
No, feather, like it looked like bone was still attached, blood. Like a whole bird, like whole bird wing.
Did you tell me to watch?
Oh my God, yes, I just did.
You ain't about your ear. Them things carry diseases and shit.
I know.
That's what I'm thinking about.
Oh my God. Yeah, I saw.
Yeah,
Stop
she
screaming.
just tried that action movie scream. Like that scream that comes from the house in horror movies. My mommy's about to do the grill. Oh. Stop. Paper, cutting obsession.
Ew.
Mm-hmm. Ow!
It looks like a mess. Tony made a mess. What side do you use? This side, the one that looks like it's been used?
You can use any side, but I'll set it up for you. I'll put it
This part is like out. Like, oh, this, hold on a second. This part is. Okay. Does this just go? Where does this go? Where did these go? It go underneath there too? This can't be right. I know that ain't right. So, ooh! They ain't to put on anything.
This is about to
No,
be
like,
good.
you gotta back up and get me putting it on there. So I don't have any of those views.
Oh, you trying to cook some things fast.
It's time. Been out here way too long. I'm gonna do a time lapse, I'm sure, on this because we've been out here for fucking forever playing games with this shit. Feel that animosity in me with this damn grill.
Damn, that look good. Smoke in your
Damn
eye.
eyes. I don't get to eat any just yet.
You wrapped it in foil and put it on there?
Well, I don't think we wrapped the chicken up completely. Did we wrap it up completely?
No, that's
No,
not what
I'm
we do.
talking about you wrapped the corn in foil and put it on there.
Oh yeah, we wrapped the corn in foil, put it on there. They got some really nice grill marks.
Yeah.
I'm super tired, but it's okay. But no, it looks beautiful. The hot dogs even came up real nice too.
I'm a beast.
Macaroni is good. Beans are good. No, they already grubbed. They are full. And Tony over here killing this chicken. Tony's over here killing this chicken.
It's so good.
We finally pulled it together. Oh, I'm looking a mess. Okay. I've been looking a mess.
They went outside and played in the water.
No, Dad, that was a fail.
They attempted.
Don't bring up the past. Don't bring that up, please. Please.
Hey, we gonna stay in right now then. We gonna stay
Right.
Mama, shouldn't we watch the Avatar?
No, the live action.
We already got the Avatar on Netflix.
Yeah, shouldn't we watch it on Netflix?
We can.
Yes, let's watch it on Netflix.
Yeah, my hair. Ooh, y'all, I can't. But yes, Dad, everything is fine. I'm about to make cookies now. Mom is on her way home, but we're trying to watch a movie and stuff. So I don't know if Mom will ixnay on the movie A. So
That ain't even right pig line.
ixnay on the movie.
So,
A little ugly. Go ahead, say the pig line for me. I hate you. I guess.
I got a little distress call from Nick. He said, hey, your sister's about to lose it. I'm like, hey, I got you.
Dad, something happened to the grill though. Tony thinks it's broken, but I was like fooling with the grill for
The metal was just bent.
at least 40 minutes.
The grill wasn't really broken. The metal was just bent on the top.
Cause
there.
no, if we put all that corn on the top of that thing, it would roll off. That's
So you had
how
to put it
bent
in
it
tin
was.
foil. So like it would have stayed on there.
Oh, Tony.
you had
I bent it back.
Tony, I want some chicken too. Why are you over here grubbing? No, I want this one.
But that one's just as delicioso.
all right. Hey, so Nick can get a response back. I text him. He don't even holler at me back.
False. That is false.
Let me try this corn real quick. All right.
It should be delicious.
It is.
It is.
Well,
I know, I'm a beast.
Here it is. Bam.
I don't know how many times I gotta say it. Y'all sleeping on my cooking skills.
it's so sweet.
Yeah.
All the sugar's
You
burning
don't have
on
to
it.
do much to it, but just put a little bit of salt and pepper and butter, and that's it.
Oh my god. No, like keep biting it though. Keep.
We popped off.
Good.
I think we did fantastic.
We're half off.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. Good job, y'all.
All right, I'll do that same thing right there. I ain't even finna play with these dishes. You can still have a whole feast but not have tons of dishes after, okay? I barely have any dishes for all right. Break. Mom's back.
Oh, they were fried. You need them.
Yeah. She's at her house. Hey.
Hello, mother.
I feel like everybody's had this. We're having the normal that everybody's had, I think.
Yeah, the regular, original, the OG Sour Patch Kids.
The original that I know and love.
That's right. And then Madison, what you got?
I have Sour Patch Kids Tropical. And then I have the Sour Patch Kids Extreme. But, I mean, girl, it looks like you were struggling over there.
All right, let's try. Ready, take off.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple.
I got fruit punch, I think.
It's pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Wait, what are the flavors?
I don't know what that is. What's
That-
the purple one? I don't know what I just had. I would
Passion
assume
fruit.
grape. I was about to say, but it don't taste like grape. It's passion fruit. Wow.
This was paradise punch. I knew it got fruit punch. I knew it.
That's what you got? That was delicious.
I already knew mine because I already looked at the back before.
All right, let me try. I'm gonna try this pineapple.
I want to try the orange.
Okay, that thing sounds like gas.
Oh, that pineapple. What?
Hey, y'all.
Get out.
Joke.
Oh.
I'm trying.
Dang. Oh, which one you trying?
Fruit punch.
That's
I got
passion
passion fruit.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't know they were coming out with gas like this.
Orange is
Okay.
the worst.
Wait, what do you say, Tony?
Wait.
This is gas. This is gas.
Disgusting.
No gas. It's gas. It's fire.
You're over there chewing. Hold on a second. I need an extreme. One.
Hey.
Back up, Aiden.
Ooh.
Uno. Dos. Tres. Ooh, those are more sour. Those are more sour than these, for sure. This seems like it's got that juice on it. Like,
Sour apple.
No.
nah, it's,
Oh.
Juicy drop pops.
Oh,
Yeah.
that.
Yep.
the Juicy Drop Pops. That's what it tastes like. Please subscribe to my channel and my sister's channel, Eddie Waited. I'm gonna link all her information in the description box. My sister is an artist, okay? But right now, what is your content containing?
Gaming.
Gaming content right now.
Yeah.
We back to play Clue.
We not. We probably are not.
She's like, what you
Because,
mean?
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Alright.
Okay,
So
already.
it's. Watch your way, watch your way. So you just do this. And then you turn and you
Who wants to
punch.
fight?
And then you, or do you want to tussle, you know? and then they go, the women, I guess, they're going, But you're going in a whole circle or a diamond. However you want to do it. Yes, we're tussling like Aiden. Do it again, Aiden. Yes, we're tussling.
Wait, this is fight.
Yes, I want to fight. And then you want to like.
You're expecting it. It's back here, but and then it's out there.
Aiden, you gotta be strong if you're gonna be in the center. What's going on? Yes, we need hips. Go ahead. All right, Aiden. Come on, muscle. Tussling. Look, this can go viral, okay?
No, it ain't.
This can go viral. We don't need any weak links. Okay?
Hey, Tony,
This is
I'm
serious
not
business.
We talking about you.
How you done? I didn't even get in.
Oh, you doing it too?
Yes. Are we ready? Mom, cue it up, please.
Your mom trying to do it.
I know.